This is the Mount Mayon. Wow! Bicol is my favorite so far. Good morning. Just packed all my things, checked out right now, and the first thing we will do today is going back to the hotel of yesterday and try to claim my money back. Guess what's back? Right, rain. And it's super cloudy that you cannot see the Mount Mayon. And I don't really know why I didn't consider that when I could see it a couple of days ago. And now maybe I cannot take pictures anymore. Oh God, that would be awful. That was one of the highlights I really wanted to see in the whole Philippines. And I called them. It was closed. And I called the hotel and they told me they already canceled it yesterday. I didn't receive any message on booking about it. And it's super confusing because they told me they canceled on Agoda, but I booked it on booking.com. I'm not really sure what's going on here and if I will get the money back. I hope so. But okay, we will drive now in the rain for 45 minutes, Malilipot, to reach Legaspi and wait for good weather tomorrow to see the Mount Mayon. That's the plan. Super close to Legaspi. Look, Mount Mayon should be right there. But it's so dark. You cannot see anything. Legaspi is 100% smoke free. My goodness, that's the worst information I can get. Man, I don't get the point why you make a city smoke free. Oh look, he was smoking right now. How dare he! Rain hurts on my skin. I searched an accommodation in Legaspi. I didn't book it online. I will just show up and ask if I can pay like that. And I decided that I will try to stay here 2 nights, see if the weather is getting better. And if not, I'm just unlucky with the view on Mount Mayon. What should I do? Cannot do anything about it, but let's give it a try. 2 days, 2 nights, and I don't think I will see anything because the last couple of days there was a typhoon passing in Catanduanes already, so it was raining a lot. And now a second typhoon is coming, so that's why it's rainy here as well. So that means that I will probably be pretty unlucky with the view to see the Mount Mayon. Okay, I already saw it a little bit while driving here, but yeah, I really wanted to have a picture with the perfectly shaped volcano. That would be really cool. At least it's not raining now. That's good, because usually it stops for maybe 5 minutes, then it's pouring down again, then it stops again for 5 minutes. Okay. We could be free. Huh. Crazy. Where am I driving? I'm driving in circles. I don't know where I am. Oh, driving through a river. Should be here. Alright, let's check. There is nothing written. Maybe it's here. Hello po. Is this Casa Felice? No po. No, where's Casa Felice? You don't know? Google Maps says it's here. I guess it should be here somewhere, but maybe on the other side. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Maybe here? Hello po. Do you know where is Casa Feliz? Yeah. Left? Alright. I was right. It was there. Google Maps is working. But the neighbors basically don't know what's going on in their neighborhood if they don't know where is Casa Feliz. Looks like it's here. Okay. Here it should be. Let's check. Oi, what's going on here? I don't know where to go. Alright, it doesn't look like it will stop to rain. So, yeah, I'm just in my room waiting for better times. And hopefully, please just give me like 10 minutes without rain that I can see the Mount Mayon. That would be amazing. Good morning in the morning. I am still in Legaspi. It has been 2 nights now. I didn't have any view of the Mount Mayon, but that's how it is. So I just decided to move forward now, and I guess I will just come back whenever to see the Mount Mayon and to make some pictures. I didn't do any viewpoints because I thought it's like unnecessary if I cannot see the Mount Mayon. So I guess I will just come back, but for now it's time to move. So let's go. Alrighty, we are on the road again. Oui. We will drive now from Legaspi to Sorsogon, and usually it's around 45 kilometers or 50, but we're taking another road, a more scenic road, because main roads are boring. So we're doing a detour, and it will probably be around 100 kilometers, maybe 120. I cannot put another road on Google Maps. So the thing is, I always do a stop in between. It just shows me the kilometers to the stop and not of the whole route. So I guess it's about 100 kilometers. We have rainy season, we have typhoon season, so I guess no more camping for me, because I heard that on the east side of the Philippines it's much worse than everywhere else in the Philippines. And I know you heard it probably like 2 months ago or something like that, but Manila is flooded. Like, people are swimming in the streets of Manila. It's crazy. We have perfect weather for driving, and still it's so cloudy that you cannot see the Mount Mayon. But I heard that it's super rare that you can see the Mount Mayon without any clouds, and that it's a great fortune if you can see the Mount Mayon. And I was actually pretty lucky because before I went to Catanduanes, I could actually see the Mount Mayon. Seems like I'm still lucky. What did I learn about that? Just make pictures if you have the chance. And don't wait like, oh yeah, next time. Because you never know what will happen, right? This is the Mount Mayon. Yeah, better view than the last 2 days actually. Beautiful Bicol. Alright, we arrived again at the ocean. I reached my destination. In between. Alright, Google Maps is sending me all the way back and around to reach Sorsogon city. But I want to drive another road, like the coastal road. There is a road, but Google Maps doesn't show me. So I guess I need to stop and check another spot. Wow. It's basically just straight all the time. I guess my navigation will just adapt. Oh look, just straight. When you're not here with me. It's windy. It's so windy. I lose control. And it may down my door. A few raindrops are coming, but I don't think it will last long. Look at the sky. I just have to be faster than the rain. Let's be Flash. Woo! Welcome to the Sorsogon province. Province. Nice. Rain is there. Sigo vivo, créemelo, mi amor, no soy tan tonto. Si tú quisieras esta noche ir a bailar un cha-cha-cha, yo te puedo enamorar. Uphill, more gas, 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 gas. Pretty steep here. Oh, I guess we're going down again. Alright, arrived to my second stop. Whew, nice, 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 nice. 22 kilometers left, 30 minutes. Wow, I thought it would take me longer, like maybe 2.5 hours, but no, we will do it in 1 hour and 45 minutes, so we can go further. Wow. Wow. I love roads like this, where it's like curvy, you have a little bit of a challenge with like the curves, and then you have this view and this road. Man, nice. Wow. That's pretty nice. Oh, broken roads. I think Bicol made it to number one. Not just that I think, it is like that. Bicol is like number one in the Philippines till now. Man, I still go to Leyte and I still go to Mindanao. And I think Mindanao will be super nice as well. We make picture here, picture. Uy. Can you remember? First time I dropped this bike, I turned on a road like that because it went downhill. And I'm doing the same. Again. Why? Why? Alright, honestly, I'm pretty nervous right now because I don't want to drop the bike. It's pretty steep. Okay, we try it. Because I cannot always avoid it, right? I will just not drop the bike. Oui. Okay, maybe I find another road. Maybe here. Haha. Short leg problems. Bicol is my favorite so far. Ding ding like glitter. As fast as the landscape is changing, the weather is changing as well. Crazy. But I don't know if I can go. Can I go? Let's go. But okay, not that bad. It looked really bad, but it's not that bad. Yeah, actually not bad at all. But the view here is so amazing. Ay, 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 ay. I was faster than the rain. Alright, we are almost in Sorsogon. We're actually already in Sorsogon, but not in the city. Welcome to Sorsogon. Sorsogon. How do you pronounce it? I am confused. Found a pretty good coffee place with really delicious coffee and with a really nice view. Isn't that a nice view? I'm just joking. Alright, Sorsogon sports area, bye-bye. Looks spectacular. But I'm leaving the city now and I'm going to Rizal Beach because a lot of you people recommended it to me. So I will check it out. I wanna be the sand inside the hourglass, ticking slow. Oh, oh. Windy! Where is the Rizal Beach? Here. Can I drive straight to the beach? Yeah, maybe not. Let's check it out. Bye. Bye. Filipinos are so friendly, that's crazy. All right. Next stop, Bulacan Lake, Bulacan. Wow, I don't know. I think it's a Bulacan Lake. Next stop, Bulacan Lake. It's 25 kilometers and 40 minutes. We have so amazing weather right now that I actually don't want to stop driving. And these roads are just amazing. I think we are in Barcelona right now. Dance me to the end of love. 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 Wow, it's so windy! Windy, windy, windy! Alright. Busy. Wow. Looks like a storm is coming. Fire started straight into the storm. to go right. Oh, here. This way. Tourist registration. Bing, bing. Doesn't look good. I mean the weather, not the place. All right. So it's a protected area here. They close at 4:30 and it's 4:40 p.m. So I'm going to the next town to sleep there and then I will come back tomorrow. And then let's see if I can catch the ferry tomorrow already. But wow, look how beautiful it is. Jungle ride, jungle rides. Still no rain. That's really, really good. That means that I hopefully reach the next town without rain. Hopefully. And then I will just search for an accommodation and come back tomorrow. Whee! Wow, what a beautiful area. It's an easy life. Some shopping tonight. Giant chicken. I have no clue why I have so much energy today. Where are you? Lodging house and resort. Information. Zoop. Pilipinas. Do you see that? I love it if I read it somewhere. Pilipinas. Alrighty. I arrived in my room. I will just take a shower now, grab a coffee, and end this day because I think it will be a long day tomorrow. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, to like and subscribe. And see you.